Welcome to our channel, your #1 resource for breaking free from the 9-5 grind and mastering the art of making money online. We're all about transforming your digital presence into a money-making machine. Whether it's affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or social media strategies, we've got you covered. Every week we share fresh, insightful content designed to provide you with the tips, tutorials, and strategies you need to elevate your online success. We're not just a channel, we're a community of go-getters dedicated to achieving financial freedom. We don't believe in getting stuck in the traditional work model. Instead, we're all about leveraging the digital world to create wealth, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. In today's video, we will delve into how you can make money with online surveys and market research. So, without further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, understanding what online surveys and market research entail is crucial. So, what exactly are online surveys? Simply put, they're a method used by businesses, researchers, and organizations to collect data from a specific group of people. These surveys can cover a wide array of topics, from consumer behavior to political opinions, and everything in between. By completing online surveys, you're essentially providing valuable information that these entities use to make informed decisions. Market research, on the other hand, is a broader concept. It's an organized effort to gather information about target markets or customers. It's a crucial component for any business strategy, helping companies understand their customers, identify potential issues, and discover opportunities. Market research can involve anything from analyzing demographic data, studying market trends, to conducting customer surveys. The beautiful thing about online surveys and market research is that they go hand in hand. Companies often use online surveys as a tool for their market research. They're a cost-effective way to reach a large audience and gather a wealth of information. You might be wondering, why is there such a demand for online surveys and market research? The answer is simple: data is power. In the digital age, information is a valuable commodity. The more a company knows about its customers and market, the better it can tailor its products, services, and marketing strategies. This in turn can lead to higher profits and greater success. The increasing demand for data means there's a growing need for people to provide this information, which leads us to the exciting part: making money. Many companies are willing to pay for your opinions and insights. By participating in online surveys and other market research activities, you can earn a side income. And here's the kicker: you don't need any special skills or qualifications to get started. All you need is an internet connection and a willingness to share your thoughts. Now that you have a basic understanding of online surveys and market research, let's discuss how you can make money from them. Online surveys can be a goldmine if you know how to use them right. The beauty of this income stream is that it's accessible to anyone with an internet connection and some spare time. So let's dive into how you can turn online surveys into a sustainable source of income. The first step is signing up for online survey platforms. There are several reputable platforms out there such as Swagbucks, Vindale Research, and Survey Junkie. When choosing a platform, consider factors like payout methods, minimum payout amounts, and the type of surveys offered. Once you've signed up, the next step is to pick the right surveys. There's a common misconception that you should take every survey that comes your way. However, it's more effective to be selective. Look for surveys that pay well for the time required. Some surveys may take only 5 minutes and pay $1, while others may take 20 minutes and pay the same amount. In this case, the shorter survey is the better option as it offers a higher rate per hour. Now, when it comes to filling out these surveys, honesty is paramount. These companies are looking for genuine feedback, and they have methods to detect inconsistencies and dishonesty. If you're caught providing false information, you can be disqualified from future surveys, and your earnings can be forfeited. So, always be truthful, even if it means you might not qualify for every survey. Another key aspect is consistency. Just like with any job, the more time and effort you put into it, the more you'll get out of it. Set aside a specific amount of time each day for surveys. This could be during your lunch break, while you're watching TV in the evening, or any other time that suits you. By following these steps, you can optimize your time and maximize your income from online surveys. It might not make you a millionaire overnight, but it's a legitimate way to earn some extra cash on the side. With consistency and smart choices, online surveys can become a significant income stream. So why not give it a try and see how much you can earn? Before we proceed, we want to introduce you to a tool that will be a plus for you: Fiverr. Fiverr is a global online marketplace offering tasks and services beginning at a cost of $5 per job performed. It's a platform where you can offer your skills and services or hire others to help you in your online venture. From graphic design to digital marketing, from writing to programming, Fiverr has it all. It's like a digital toolbox for your online business. Now you might be wondering, how can Fiverr help me make money online? Well, it's simple. If you have a service to offer, you can sell it on Fiverr, or you can hire experts to boost your online presence, thus increasing your revenue. And the best part? We're offering you a direct link to Fiverr, available in the description below. With Fiverr, you can amplify your earning potential. Now, let's move on to making money with market research. Market research is another excellent way to make money online. It's a process that businesses use to understand their customers, their competitors, and their market. And guess what? They're willing to pay for your insights. So, how do you get started? First, you need to find the right companies. There are plenty out there, but not all are created equal. Look for those that have a good reputation and offer fair compensation for your time. Do a bit of digging, read reviews, and make sure they're legitimate before you sign up. Once you've found a good fit, the process is simple. You participate in studies, which can range from online surveys to phone interviews, focus groups, or product testing. These studies are designed to gather valuable information about consumer behavior, preferences, and trends. Now let's talk about maximizing your income. The key here is to provide detailed and honest feedback. Remember, companies are paying for your insights, so the more useful your feedback, the more valuable you become as a participant. This could lead to more opportunities and higher pay rates. The beauty of market research is that you're not just making money, you're making an impact. Your feedback can shape the future of products and services. It can influence the strategies of businesses, big and small. It's a chance to have your say and make a difference. But remember, just like with online surveys, market research isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a way to earn some extra cash while providing valuable insights to businesses. So, manage your expectations, be patient, and most importantly, enjoy the process. And one more thing, don't forget to keep an eye on your inbox. Some of the best opportunities come via email, so be sure to check regularly and respond promptly. The early bird gets the worm, as they say. With market research, you can make a significant impact while earning money. So why not give it a try? You never know, you might just find it's the perfect fit for you. Making money with online surveys and market research isn't as daunting as it seems. Today, we've peeled back the curtain on this thriving online industry, revealing how you too can tap into its potential. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. Firstly, we've explored the world of online surveys. We've seen how these platforms work, how they reward participants, and how you can effectively use them to generate income. The key to success here is consistency. Regularly participating in surveys will increase your earning potential and provide you with a steady stream of income over time. We then turned our attention to market research, a field that offers even more lucrative opportunities. By participating in these research studies, you're able to contribute valuable insights that companies use to improve their products and services. And in return, you're rewarded handsomely for your time and effort. In the midst of our discussion, we also introduced you to Fiverr, an incredible platform that can augment your online income. Whether you're looking to sell your skills or hire experts to help you grow your online business, Fiverr is a tool you'll definitely want in your arsenal. You'll find the link to this fantastic resource in the description below. Throughout this journey, remember the importance of honesty. When participating in surveys and market research, your genuine responses are crucial. They help companies make smart, informed decisions, and they ensure that you're given opportunities that align with your interests and experiences. Finally, remember that making smart choices is paramount. Not every opportunity will be a good fit for you, and that's okay. Be selective, choose wisely, and focus on the opportunities that resonate with you and your goals. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Stay tuned for more tips, tutorials, and strategies. Don't forget to subscribe and join our community. Until next time, keep striving for success.